Hello everyone. We're excited to introduce our new game, Paintball Gun. In this action-packed game, you enter fast-paced battles where you fight other players using colorful paintball guns. The game is inspired by classic Dev Might. As you play, you'll collect coins. These coins are important because they help you unlock the laser gun that gives you an edge in battle. Paintball Gun is still new, and we're working hard to make it better every day. That's why we need your help. Your opinions and feedback mean everything to us. Tell us what you like, what we can improve, and what you want to see next. Together, we can make Paintball Gun an amazing experience for everyone. Thank you.